Asparagus has long been celebrated as a springtime vegetable, but its value goes far beyond its delicate flavor and elegant appearance. This slender green stalk is packed with nutrients that support many aspects of health, making it a powerful addition to a balanced diet. From supporting digestion to contributing to heart and brain health, asparagus offers benefits that are both wide-ranging and scientifically supported. It is low in calories, rich in vitamins and minerals, and full of plant compounds that help the body function at its best. Below are 10 amazing health benefits of asparagus, explained in depth to show why this vegetable truly deserves a regular place on your plate. Number 1. Rich in essential vitamins and minerals. Asparagus is a nutritional powerhouse because it contains a wide range of essential vitamins and minerals that the body needs to function properly. It is especially high in vitamin K, which plays a key role in blood clotting and bone health. Asparagus also provides vitamin A for vision and immune support, vitamin C for skin and immune function, and several B vitamins that help convert food into energy. In addition, it contains minerals such as potassium, phosphorus, and small amounts of iron. This impressive nutrient profile means that even a modest serving of asparagus can make a meaningful contribution to daily nutrient needs. Number 2. Supports digestive health. One of the most important benefits of asparagus is its positive effect on digestion. Asparagus is a good source of dietary fiber, which helps keep the digestive system running smoothly. Fiber adds bulk to stool, supporting regular bowel movements and reducing the likelihood of constipation. Beyond this, asparagus contains a special type of fiber called inulin, which acts as a prebiotic. Prebiotics feed beneficial gut bacteria, helping them grow and maintain a healthy balance in the digestive tract. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to improved digestion, better nutrient absorption, and overall well-being. Number 3. Helps maintain a healthy heart. Heart health is another area where asparagus shines. The fiber found in asparagus can help support healthy cholesterol levels by binding to bile acids in the digestive system, which may help the body remove excess cholesterol. Asparagus also contains antioxidants and potassium, both of which contribute to cardiovascular health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure by balancing sodium levels in the body, while antioxidants help protect blood vessels from oxidative stress. Together, these properties make asparagus a heart-friendly vegetable that supports long-term cardiovascular wellness. Number 4. Packed with powerful antioxidants. Asparagus is rich in antioxidants, which are compounds that help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and various chronic conditions. Asparagus contains antioxidants such as vitamin C, vitamin E, glutathione, and flavonoids. Glutathione, in particular, is known as a master antioxidant because it plays a major role in detoxification and cellular protection. By including asparagus in your diet, you help strengthen your body's natural defense system against oxidative stress. Number 5. Supports healthy brain function. The nutrients in asparagus also play a role in brain health and cognitive function. Asparagus is a good source of folate, a B vitamin that is essential for proper brain development and function. Folate is involved in the production of neurotransmitters, which are chemical messengers that allow brain cells to communicate. Adequate folate intake is associated with better focus, memory, and overall mental performance. By supporting healthy brain chemistry, asparagus contributes to both short-term mental clarity and long-term cognitive health. Number 6. Aids in maintaining strong bones. Bone health depends on a combination of minerals and vitamins, and asparagus provides several of these key nutrients. Vitamin K, which is abundant in asparagus, is especially important for bone strength because it helps regulate calcium and supports bone mineralization. Without enough vitamin K, bones can become weaker over time. Asparagus also contains small amounts of calcium and phosphorus, which are essential building blocks of bone tissue. Including asparagus as part of a balanced diet can help support strong, healthy bones throughout life. Number 7. Supports a healthy immune system. A strong immune system relies on a steady supply of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all of which are found in asparagus. Vitamin C helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting infections. Antioxidants in asparagus help protect immune cells from damage, allowing them to function more effectively. Additionally, the prebiotic fiber in asparagus supports gut health, which is closely linked to immune strength. Since a large portion of the immune system is connected to the digestive tract, asparagus indirectly helps the body defend itself against illness. Number 8. May help regulate blood sugar levels. Asparagus can be a smart choice for supporting balanced blood sugar levels. Its fiber content slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, which can help prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar. Some studies suggest that plant compounds in asparagus may also play a role in improving insulin sensitivity. While asparagus is not a treatment for blood sugar conditions, including it as part of a balanced meal may help support steady energy levels and overall metabolic health. Number 9. Supports natural detoxification processes. The body has its own natural detoxification systems, primarily involving the liver and kidneys, and asparagus can help support these processes. Asparagus contains compounds that support liver function and antioxidants that help neutralize harmful substances. Its natural diuretic properties may also support healthy kidney function by encouraging regular fluid balance. These combined effects help the body efficiently eliminate waste products and maintain internal balance, contributing to a feeling of overall vitality. Number 10. Low in calories but high in satisfaction. One of the most appealing benefits of asparagus is that it is low in calories yet very satisfying to eat. This makes it an excellent choice for those who want to enjoy flavorful meals while maintaining a balanced diet. The combination of fiber, water content, and nutrients helps promote fullness without excess calories. Asparagus can be roasted, steamed, grilled, or added to a wide variety of dishes, making it both versatile and nourishing. Its ability to support satiety while delivering valuable nutrients makes it a standout vegetable. In conclusion, asparagus is far more than a simple side dish. It is a nutrient-dense vegetable that supports many aspects of health, including digestion, heart function, brain health, and immunity. Its rich supply of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants makes it a valuable addition to a well-rounded diet. Whether enjoyed fresh in season or incorporated into meals throughout the year, asparagus offers impressive health benefits that are both practical and enjoyable. By including asparagus regularly, you are choosing a food that nourishes the body in multiple ways and supports long-term well-being. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.